Hello YouTube, this is DaretoBeCreative, and I am here with pick a winner for my ATC challenge. So Voice Spice hosted an ATC Cards and Coins collab 2020, and we had it for the whole month of August, which was 5 weeks, not 4 but 5. And so what I'm going to do is just do a giveaway. So I made several ATCs. Actually, I made all of these ATCs during that collab, which a lot. Which I'm glad. But what I'm going to do is, my giveaway, I'm going to have some goodies in there, maybe embossing folder, die, or stamp set. But in addition to that, I was going to give away some things that the person can make their own version of it. So like the first one, I tried different techniques each week. The first week I used a napkin and then altered it. So I'm going to have a couple different napkins, so you can choose, because you might not like the safari one. It's just some whimsical ones, so you can use that and try. On this one, the more mixed media layered one, on these I use straws, keys, embossing powder, embossing modeling paste, lace, corrugated paper, seed beads, thread. So it'll be a combination of things. Now, it won't necessarily be that you have all silver or all gold, but it'll be a combination of things. Even this piece right here, that tab, so that you can use and make your own version of whatever you want, and it'll be enough that you can make 1 or 2 out of it, so you can make however you want to make it. So I would love to see your creations. Then I had a whole bunch of scraps on my desk, and I made a whole bunch of these with the butterflies, and they were hello, and these little waves. So I will be sending some of those waves, the butterflies and the swirls and the hellos, and some bling, so that you can make these. Now these would be really easy to make, so you have all the elements to make that, because that's just me cutting that out, so that's no problem with that. Then the next set I made was more like mixed media ones, and I used Dollar Tree stickers. So the other thing besides the Dollar Tree stickers that I used was I used doilies and thread, some foil in the background, so I can send some foil, some thread, some doilies. I'm going to send some Dollar Tree stickers. It won't be this one. I have looked everywhere, because my sister has been asking me for the last month or so for those stickers. I have not been able to find them anywhere, but I will send a set of stickers that will be different, but you can use the altar to make several of these, and some of those pieces right there as well. So you just have to be creative as to what you want to do with it. Like I said, that was foil on the background. I used embossing on the background on that one, and then I used paper. So I sent some papers and stuff as well for some backgrounds. And then these were all, that didn't belong in there, but these were all perfect pearls, so I won't be able to send you that, but I will be able to send you some bling and some cards, and some stamp images that you can cut out, fussy cut, or adhere directly to it, and you can do what you want with it. So that would be an alternate way. I can stamp this out and send you those, so you can do with it what you want. You can color it and adhere it. So that you can make your own version of that. And again, like I said, there'll be some other goodies in there as well. So and that's what that person will win. So I'm gonna give them till, let's say, I'm doing this on Tuesday night, but it'll be up on Wednesday. So let's say by Friday afternoon, if they don't respond to me by Friday 5 o'clock, then I will pick another winner on Saturday. So you need to respond to me 2 days, Friday by 5 o'clock, and I will ship it out to you as soon as I can, and you have to send me your address. My email and stuff is always in the description box below, or you can hit me up on Instagram, but send me your information and I will mail it out to you. So please respond to me by Friday by 5 o'clock. So quite a few people, names got taken out because they didn't watch all 5. They watched, majority, everybody watched 4, and I had over 45 names, but down to 10. Oops, somebody's name is stuck at the top. 2. So anyway, they watched all 5. So I'm just gonna pick out a person. Again, this person, if they don't respond, then I will go to the next one. And this is Scrap Passion 01. So Betty, you won. Scrap Passion 01. Congratulations. So please hit me up and I will send that right out to you, Betty. So again, thank you so much for watching and commenting and liking my videos for the ATCs. And I will send you out a nice little goodie bag. All right, take care. God bless.